kids' gardening tools. So we're going to unbox this and see what gardening tools they have for you. Oh goodness, look inside. That looks like a rake, right? This is a trowel, and this is a shovel. So we have 3 tools here. See what else we need for our garden. Oh my gosh, you need gloves to protect your hands. Yes. Do you know what this is? This is a watering can. A little thing to put our tools in. What did we say this was? A shovel. This, a rake, and our trowel. This is like an apron that you put on to keep yourself clean. And here we go again. You have so many different things that you can use for your different tools. Here's our trowel. Here's our rake. Go in there. And our shovel. And our gloves can go right here. So we need all these things when we become our gardener, huh? And here's a spray bottle. You know, you can spray your plant later. I'm going to show you some boys and girls who are in the garden right now.